Hello students, welcome back to our mathematics class. Today we will solve an important questions from Applications of Trigonometry which is common in board exams. Question number 1. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground is 30 degree if the distance of the point from the foot of the tower is 20 meter. Find the height of the tower. First, let us draw the diagram. Let AB be the height of the tower, B is the foot of the tower and C is the point on the ground. So, AB is vertical, BC is horizontal and equals to 20 meter and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Let the height of the tower AB is equal to H. Now observe the right angle triangle ABC with respect to angle 30 degree at point C. Opposite side AB is equal to H. Adjacent side BC is equal to 20 meter. So we use the tan function. We know tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equal to H upon 20. We also know tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 3. So, 1 upon under root 3 is equal to H upon 20 cross multiplying. Therefore, H is equal to 20 upon under root 3. To rationalize the denominator, 20 upon under root 3 into under root 3 upon under root 3 is equal to 20 into under root 3 becomes 20 under root 3. Under root 3 into under root 3 becomes 3. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 20 under root 3 upon 3 meter.